In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom neon sign here on goodneon.com. I'm going to show you how to use Good Neon Sign's Neon Sign Customizer so you can effortlessly get your neon sign at your door within 5 to 7 business days. This is Nick Gonzalez, aka Lex Neon, and this is the Hustle Factory. First thing you're going to want to do is go to goodneon.com and look for the link to get you to your sign customizer. Once you get to this interface here, you'll have the opportunity to make some adjustments and customize your neon sign. The first step is your size. And the reason why you want to do your size first is because that's going to dictate your price. If you're a budget conscious person like I am, then you know, first thing you want to know is how much. I think on this case, I'm going to go with a 44-inch sign. Next step is you're going to want to write your message. I'm going to write the Hustle Factory. Now, if you notice here, you have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16 characters. That's important to know because you're going to have some character limits based on the size that you've chosen. For example, let's say you chose a 20-inch sign. Your max character count on 20 inches on one line is going to be 7 letters. You'll get this error message. You've exceeded your maximum number of characters for the current size. You either want to shorten your message or you're going to want to make your sign a little bit bigger. I'm going to go back to 44 inches because my budget was between $600 and $700. After this, there's no more add-ons, no more extra fees or charges, maybe shipping. My next step here is I'm going to choose a font. There's many fonts to choose from. Might get a little bit inundated here. Looks a little overwhelming, but I'd rather have more options than less. Let me see where I'm going to go with on this one. That is pretty slick. That's too much. Not this one. That's kind of cool. Like that one. Looks a little exaggerated. That looks fresh. I like it. I'm going to go with this one. Next, I'm going to choose my color. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to go for, I don't know, red? That's nice. Or how about money green? I'm going to go with money green. Now that I've chosen my size, my font, my message, I'm going to choose how I'm going to hang this. Now it's either wall mounting, which requires some installation. You'll have to drill some holes in your wall and mount it. Not the funnest experience, but with anybody that's handy with a drill, will be able to help you get it done, or you can DIY it. Or you can just choose hanging from a chain or hanging from a base. I'm going to choose wall mounted. I'm going to add this to my cart. And there you have it. Your neon sign is in your cart, ready for purchase. Thank you for watching. This is Nick Gonzalez, aka Lex Neon, and this is the Hustle Factory.